guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn and this video will show the most profitable and easiest trader strategy even for beginners. Watch this video till the end and write a comment to like and will receive $100 to the balance on the website. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP.
Let's start. The first thing we do is start with our workspace. We start by setting the amount of our deals. We start with the amount of $100. 100% of our balance. Next is the time for deals. Our deal time will be 1 minute. Time frame is 1 minute. That's convenient for us to trade. Next we will choose currencies, 6 I think. Payout percentage is about 92%. Yeah, it's desirable that the payout percentage is always, no matter what you trade, more than 70%. Next, today we will use 2 indicators. This is R and fractal. You see it. Let me say more. First, fractal. You see arrows, red and green. In order to identify fractal, you need to analyze 5 consecutive candles, where the third average is the highest or the lowest. Thus, the fractal indicator is the form of an arrow. It's placed above, as we see here, or below the third candle. It's if it has the largest or smallest value of the 5 given candles. Often after a fractal, our market goes in the opposite direction. Of course, there are also situations when the market moves with just 1 candle, but on the opposite side of the general situation, it still goes down. Next is the second indicator. You see it at the bottom of the screen. Here it's setting spirit 25 and style like this. So this indicator uses the number of periods as the main parameter. These lines on the right up and down represents the percentage of time between the less extremes. This helps determine the direction and the strength of the trend in the market we're in. In simple words, if the red bears fruit on the blue ones, then this market is bearish. If blue, roughly speaking, and red is looking up, this is some kind of So as we see, there were 2 upward candles, and we move on to the first concept. I want to ask you that to subscribe to my Telegram channel. You find many useful information and you can trade with me. So meantime, we're moving on the first concept with we'll start today. The first is down deal, and we start our technical analysis. First and last fractal was formed from above, after which a strong drawdown began. It continues with us, so we trade by the trend. Our indicator, the red line is at the very top and to the right and has reached the maximum value of 100. Blue is at the bottom, red is prevails. Yeah, trend is going down. Everything here is quite simple. Let's compare the situation. Four seconds left until the end of our deal. Yep, and this deal is in plus. Profit is $92. Great, our balance is already $192. Let's immediately move on to the next concept. So here we are. Let's go with up deal, and we start our technical analysis. We see that our previous candle was very confident. This green one is very confident. Most likely we will now start moving in the upper position. I'm not mistaken, there will be plus or minus 1 more forms. We have this arrow in the lower position. and we see by our indicator lines are moved down. General situation will still see that there was quite a strong growth. Characteristics to open an analysis position for growth. Next, we can identify a certain area of resistance and support area. This is kind of consolidation, I think. 3 seconds left. And yeah, plus deal, good. $92 almost also profit us. Let's move on. And here we are. Down deal we open. Fractal above. And all the candles we mainly see shadows forming on top. So it's a decline. And by general technical analysis, we see trend is going down. Next, we look at our indicator. Yeah, some kind of consolidation, I think. Continue. Let's see. There are 15 seconds left until the end of our deal. We're still below our opening points at the moment. That's pretty good. Although there is still a small intersection. Yeah, plus deal we see. Good. Let's reduce our deal amount.
Hello traders, my name is Lina and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in minor options. Here you will find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies.
Here we are. We open the deal down and we start our technical analysis. We see the shadow. Fractal is above. The third signal is general trend. It's going down also. Support area we see by fractal. For signal also. And error indicator also we see 2 lines moving down. It's like consolidation. Let's see. 16 seconds left until the end of our deal. State of drawdown. 9 seconds left. I think it's positive direction for us. Yeah, good, great. The deal, we have a plus deal. Pretty good. Let's increase the amount to $200 and let's move immediately to the next concept. Here we are with you in downward position and we began our technical analysis. According to the technical analysis, we see that we already have a fairly large pullback at the green candle. Most likely we will move on in the lower position. By fractal we see it's above. There's also evidence that our decline will continue. Overall picture, we also have a decline. As you can see, by around 2 lines down. Let's see the same thing. 20 seconds left until the end of the deal. Let's just see. We find ourselves in a state of quite strong drawdown. I hope that this drawdown will remain with you and me. For now, let's 6 seconds left until the end of the deal. Great. This deal was closed as a plus. And let's finish our trading session for today. Let's sum it up. The most important and the most it's our balance. It was at the beginning $100 and at the moment the balance is already more than $1,000. It's very good. So 1 minute deals, 1 minute time frame. And we used currency bars, you can see at the top, and our two indicators are in and fractal. So the settings, you can see it, you can copy it and use it. And don't forget also to subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram channels. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.